Hello friends, welcome to another resin tutorial from me Artistry. Thank you all for my first 1000 subscribers. I am glad you guys stayed with me on this beautiful art journey and continuously showered your love. To those who are new here, consider subscribing to watch my coming art videos and enter a chance to win these bookmarks. I want to thank you all by making these lovely bookmarks with real flowers, and I will randomly select 3 lucky subscribers and give them these bookmarks. Watch the full video to enter this contest and win these beautiful bookmarks. Let's jump to the materials. This is a silicone mold for a bookmark which is 5.5 inches in length and 1 inch wide. It is a perfect size to keep in any book. For the materials, I am using this Arteza mica pigments, lavender and light plum. And matching them, I am using these chunky glitters from Recollections, amethyst and violet. This one is an interesting glitter from Pearl Glitter Shop. These are tiny white rings. And I am using this pearlescent glitter glue. To begin with, I am adding a tiny wavy line with glitter glue. Wait for a couple of hours so that the glue dries. Meanwhile, I have mixed the resin and pouring a little in these 2 clear cups. In the first cup, I am adding the light plum mica pigment. And in the second one, I am adding the lavender mica pigment and mixing them. With a heat gun, warm the resin and the silicone mold to disperse air bubbles. Add some clear resin above the glitter line. I am using this beautiful lilac flower and place it upside down. Next, this is lovely daisy. Adjust the flowers to the desired position. These are some tiny flowers. They are pink in color, adding a few bunch. And these are white flowers. On the top, placing a violet color baby breath flower. And at the center, a pink baby breath flower. Next, I am adding the colored resin on the lower 1/3 of the mold. This is light plum. And this is violet colored resin. Now I am adding these white ring glitters in the clear resin. Next, I am adding a stick of violet and amethyst chunky glitters under the glitter glue line that we have added initially. You can see all the colors I have used here complement each other. I have left the resin to cure for 48 hours and now it's time to demold it. It comes easily out of the mold. Inserting a lavender color tassel through the hole on the top of the bookmark. Here is a close-up of the finished piece. It looks unique and I love these flowers in the clear resin, different glitters and their color combination. These ring glitters look fabulous. Here are a few more I made. This is red and white. See how pretty it looks. And these are very special ones. I have added here peacock green and flamingo pink mica pigments and used similar colored flowers. They turned out amazing. I hope you all love this. And here is a chance to win these bookmarks. I will choose 3 lucky winners and give 1 bookmark to each winner. To enter the contest, you have to follow 2 basic rules. First, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon to all. And second rule is comment below the video. I will use YouTube's random picker software to pick 3 lucky winners. The contest starts today and end on 1st January. I will announce the winner at the end of the first week of January. So don't miss the chance to win these lovely bookmarks. Take care and bye.